Hi Ram, dear students. Now we are going to discuss on the topic clock. Clock is one of the important topic in all the competitive examination. Okay. Before going to the clock, we should know some basic concepts of clock. Okay. So let us see in the blackboard. Okay, I will explain it in the blackboard. Okay, it will help you to understand it. Okay. Okay, this is the clock. Okay, clock will be in the circle. Whatever may be it will be in 360 degree. Okay, it is 12 o'clock. It is 3 o'clock. Sorry, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Okay, this is the clock. Okay, we should know. Suppose think about the minute hand. There are three hands. There will be three hands. Our hand, minute hand, and second hand. But in all competitive examination, we should think about, or we should do about the minute hand and talking about the minute hand and our hand only. Okay, don't think about the second hand. Second hand is not so important for the competitive examination. Okay, let us see what is a clock complete a circle having 360 degrees. Yes, it is a circle having 360 degrees. Okay, it is divided in 12 equal parts. Okay, 1 to 12, there are 12 equal parts. That means 360, it is a 360 degree. 360 divided by 12, that means 30 degree. 30 degree, that means from 12 to 1 it is a 30 degree, and 1 to 2 it is a 30 degree. That means 30 degree is distance between two points. That means 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 2 to 3 to 4, that is a 30 degree. Okay. As the minute hand, as the minute hand takes complete round in 1 hour. As we know, the minute hand take complete it has a complete round in a 1 hour. Okay, it covers 360 degree in 60 minutes. Okay, in a minute hand it complete round in 1 hour. It covers 360 degrees. Okay, in 60 minutes, in 1 minute. Okay, 360 degree in 60 minutes. Okay, it takes complete hour 360 degree in 60 minutes. Yeah, 1 hour. That means in 1 minute it covers 6 degree. That means 360 divide by 60. That means 360 to take 360 degrees in 1 hour. 1 hour means 60 minute. That means it will take 6 degree per minute. 6 degree per minute. Okay, we should know about it. It is very important. Uh, and also, as the our hand covers just one part of the given 12 parts in 1 hour. Okay, as the our hand covers just one part out of the given 12 parts in 1 hour. I have already told you, this implies it covers 30 degree in 60 minutes. 30 degree in 60 minutes. Suppose if you talk about the our hand, it is suppose 12 to 1. It takes 1 hour. 1 hour takes 30 degree. We have already told it is a 30 degree. But in our hand, in 1 hour, it takes 30 degree. Okay, I will show you in the material. Okay, let us see our hand. 12 hours it take 360 degree. Okay, to complete the one circle, that means 360 degree, it takes 12 hours. I am talking about our hand. Okay, it takes 30 degree in 1 hour or 60 minutes, and it take 1 minute half degree. Okay, in a half degree it takes 1 minute. In the same time, minute hand, it 1 hour it takes 360 degree, and 5 minutes 30 degree, and 1 minute 60 degree. I have already written in the language. A clock is a complete circle having 360 degrees. It is divided into 12 equal parts. That is, each part 360 divided by 12, that is 30 degree. As the minute hand takes a complete round in 1 hour, it covers 360 degree in 60 minutes. In 1 minute, it covers 360 degree divided by 60, that means 60 degree per minute. Also, as our hand covers just one part of the given 12 parts in 1 hour. This implies it covers 30 degree in 60 minutes, that is half degree per minute. speed of the minute hand is 60 degree per minute. We have already seen it. That means the speed of the minute hand, it is 6 degree per minute, 6 degree per minute. But in that same time, the speed of the hour hand takes 0.5 degree per minute. That means half degree per minute. Okay. The concept of the relative speed, it is very important. The concept of the relative speed is used to solve the question in all the clock problems. Okay. The relative speed is minute hand and hour hand is 6 degree minus half degree. That means 5.5 degree per minute. It is the relative speed. Okay. 6 degree per minute in a minute hand and half degree in our hand. The relative speed means 6 degree minus half degree. That means 5.5 minute. Okay, per minute, 5 degree per minute. We will use this concept, relative speed and the relative distance, while solving the problem on the clocks. Okay. One more thing we have to mind it in put it in our mind. It means if both the hour hand and minute hand move at their normal speed, then the both hands meet after 65 and 5 by 11 minutes. That means in minute hands moves circles or moves its own speed. In the same time, the hour hand also moves its own speed. Okay. If both the hand and minute hand and our hand moves their own speed, okay, then both the hands meet after 65 and 5 by 11 minutes. It is very important. And 3 points. It is normally asked all the examination, so we should know. Both hand, minute hand and our hand coincide each other. It comes over 1. That means the distance between the both the degrees, the hands, 0 degree, comes 11 times in 12 hours and 22 times in a time. That means both hand, our hand and minute hand, comes to a particular point, in the same point, in 11 times in 12 hours and 22 times in a day. Okay. Opposite direction, the minute hand and our hand comes opposite direction. It take place in 22 times in a day and 12 hours 11 times it happens. In the right angle, that means it makes 90 degree. The minute hand and our hand makes 90 degree 42 times in a day and 20 times in a half, means 12 hours. It is very important. Okay. Okay. Now let us see the questions. First question is, a clock represents its time from n to y instead of 1 to 12. Then qt represents 4. Okay. A clock represents a time from n to y instead of 1 to 12. Normally, every clock indicates the time 1 to 12. But instead of 1 to 12, if we give the name n to y, then qt represents 4. That is the question. Okay, let us see the blackboard. Okay. This is the clock. Instead of giving the what is called the time, we have to give the n to y. One indicates n, o, p, q, r, s, t, u, v, w, x, y. Instead of 1 to 12, we gave the name n to y. Okay. The qt represents for qt. Normally, for that, whatever may be the time. Suppose it is a 7:30. First, we talk about the hour hand. Okay, 7:30. Suppose if it is 7:30, 7:30. It is 7 indicates hour and 30 indicates minute. At the same time, qt. Q. Where is the q? Q is 4. Q is in the 4. That means 4. T. Where is the T? T is 7. 7 means 7 into 5, 35. That means time will be 7 for 35. Okay. The time will be 4:35. The next question, let us see. At what time minute hand and hour hand coincide each other between 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock? Okay. At what time minute hand and hour hand coincide each other? Both are came in the same point at 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock. We have already learned it that in every hour it coincides once in every hour. Okay. In every hour, both the hands coincide once. In 12 hours, they will coincide 11 times. That means it happens due to only one such instance between 12 o'clock and 1 o'clock. Okay. At 12 o'clock, we know at 12 o'clock, the both hands in at the same point. Okay. But it takes 65 and 5 by 11 hours to coincide each other. Okay, that means in between 12 o'clock and 1 o'clock there will not be coincide each other. Okay, that is why in 12 hour it happens 11 times. Okay, if the both our hand minute hand move their own normal speed, then both the hands meet after 65 and 5 by 11 minutes. How it is? Okay, let us see where it is happening. 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock. Okay, first we have to clear the blackboard, then we can do it. Okay. Okay, what is the question? Question is clearly that at what time minute hand and hour hand coincide each other at 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock. Okay. Coincide each other. Coincide each other at 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock. This is the time. Coincide each other at 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock. There is a formula we should know, 60A by 11. This is the formula. We should learn it. 60A by 11. A means 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock. The first time, that is 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock. 4 is called A. Okay. That means 60 into 4 by 11. That means 240 by 11. That means 21 and 9 by 11. That means after 4 hours, 21 and 9 by 11. That means 4 hours, 21, 4 hours, 21 and 9 by 11. 9 by 11. Okay, after 4 hours, 21 minute, 9 by 11. So 21 and 9 by 11 minute, the hour hand and minute hand, both hands are coincide each other. Okay. And let us see the third question. What is the third question? Let us see what is the third question. Third question is at what time minute hand and hour hand comes opposite direction between 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock. Dear student, you should know we are discussing only one problem at one time. Okay, that means only one what is called not we are not going different questions. Okay, we are only conduct or discuss only the one pattern. Okay, only once in a one pattern. Okay, now it is another pattern. At what time minute hand and hour hand comes opposite direction between 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock. Opposite direction. Okay, let us see the blackboard first. In same time 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock, opposite direction. Opposite direction. Okay, that means opposite direction means the minute hand and hour hand takes 180 degrees. Okay, okay. 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock means the hands are in the same straight line when they are coincide or opposite to each other. Okay, when the hands are opposite direction means they are 30 minutes spaces apart. 30 minutes spaces apart. For example, okay, for example, this is the clock. Okay, let us see. The formula is 60A plus or minus 6 by 11. This is the formula. Okay, we have already seen in the last question the minute hand and hour hand coincide each other. That means the formula was 60A by 11. 60A by 11. That means, but here in opposite direction, the formula will be 60A plus or minus 6 by 11. Plus or minus. We have to add plus or minus. That means 60A by 11 and plus or minus 6. That means 60A plus or minus 6 by 11. 60A plus or minus 6 by 11. This is the formula. A means the first time, that means 4 o'clock. Okay, that means we have to clear it. 60 A means 4. 60, it is a 4. Okay, sorry, 60 we should keep it in bracket. Okay, that will be better. 4. Okay, suppose if the given time, that is a 4. Okay, suppose the a is less than 6. Suppose if the a is less than 6, we have to add, we have to use the plus. Suppose if it is more than 6, we have to use minus, that is called a plus or minus. That means 4 plus 6 by 11. 4 plus 6 by 11, that means 60 into 10 by 11, that means 600 by 11. That means 54 minute, 54 minute 6 by 11, 6 by 11, 54 minutes 6 by 11. That means 4 hours, 54 minutes 6 by 11. Okay, that means this will be the opposite direction. Okay, so that means opposite direction. The clock, the minute hand and hour hand will be the opposite direction. That means 54 minutes. That means 4 hour. After 4 hours, 54 and 6 by 11. After 4 hours, 54 and 6 by 11 minutes. They have. They will be coincide. It not coincide opposite direction. They will be happen the opposite direction. Okay, 4 hours. 4 hours and 54 and 6 by 11 minutes, they will be in the opposite direction. Okay, now let us see the question number 4. What is the question number 4? Let us see what is the question number 4, then we can do it. Okay, it is question number 4. Question number 4 is says, at what time between 4 and 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock, will the hand of clock at right angle, that means 90 degree. At what time between 4 and 5 o'clock will the hand of clock be at the right angle, that means 90 degree. Okay, before going to the concept, we should know something about the right angle. Then when the two hands are at the right angle, they are 15 minutes space apart. As we know, suppose this is the blackboard. Okay, this is the clock. Okay, this is the right angle. Okay, this is the right angle, this is the right angle, this is the right angle. Okay, this is the right angle. Okay, 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 let us see. When two hands are at the right angle, they are 15 minute space apart. There will be 15 minute. There will be 15 minute space apart. There will be 15 minute space apart. And in 1 hour, they will form two right angles. And 12 hours, there are 22 right angles. Okay, there are in 1 hour, the two right angles will be happened. In 2 hours, 22 right angles will be happened. It happens due to right angles formed by the minute hand and hour hand at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. As we know, at 3 o'clock indicates right angle, and 9 o'clock is also indicates right angle. That is why it happens 22 times in a 12 hours and 44 times in a day. Okay, okay. Let us see. Once again, we can see the material. Okay, it is clearly mentioned that 15 minutes, 15 minutes, that means 90 degree. 15 minutes indicates the 90 degree. In a 4 o'clock, the hour hand will be in the 4 and the minute hand will be in the 12. That means 20 minutes. It shows 20. That means 20 we have to minus 20 minus 15, that is 5. 5 will be our A, and it will happen 2 times. That is, another is 20 plus 15, that means 35. Okay. Here is a formula, that is formula is 60A by 55. 60A by 55. Here A is first, it will be 5, the second it will be 35. Okay, let us see how to do it. Okay, in first formula 60A by 55, that means 60 into 5, we go to 5 here, 5 divided by 55. 5 by 1 times, it means 11 times, that means 60 by 11. 60 by 11, that means 5 and 5 by 11. That means after 4 hours, 5 and 5 by 11 minute. It will make 90 degree, that means right angle. And another one, 60 A by 55. That means 60 into 35. It will happen 35 here. Second time is 35 here by 55. By 55. That means it will happen 38 and 2 by 11. It means between the 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock, it makes two right angles. One is at 4 hours, 5 and 5 by 11 minute. And second time, 4 hours, 38 and 2 by 11. Okay, two times it happens right angles. Okay. Then let us see the third pattern, next pattern of question. Question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5. Time is 12:30. What will be the angle distance between minute hand and hour hand? What will be the angle distance between minute hand and hour hand? This time is 12:30. Let us see how to solve this problem. Okay. How to make a clock of 12:30? It is 12 to 6. Okay, 12:30 means the hour hand will be in here and the minute hand will be here. Okay, it is 12:30. Okay, 12:30. I have already told you that means there are 12 parts in a clock. That means it is a 360 degree. Between 12 o'clock and 1 o'clock, the 30 degree will be there. Every point will be between 2 points, there will be 30 degrees. Okay, that means there are 12 to 6. It is a 6. It is will be a 12. Okay, that means 12. Okay, 12, 6. There are 6 points are there. 6 points are 6 into 30. Between 2 points, there will be a 30 degree. That means 6 into 30, 180 degree. Okay, that means half of it is 180 degree. 180 and 180, that means 360 degree. And but we should know it is 12:30. It is not exact by from 12. It is not exactly 180 degree. That means what is the minute? It is a 30 minute. 12:30. 12:30. It is a 30 minute. Okay. The half of we have to take half of 30. 30 divided by 2. That means half of 30 is 15 degree. That means we have to either add or subtract. We have to either add or subtract. It is 12, that is 180 degree means from 2 to 12 to 6 it is a 180 degree. But the hour hand is less than 12. That means we have to minus it. That means 155 degree. This will be 155 degree. That means at sorry, not 155, 165 degree. Sorry, 165 degree. That means at 12:30, that our hand will the angle distance between our hand and minute hand will be 165 degree. 165 degrees. Okay, we should know how to is it add or not subtract. Okay, then we can find out it. One more question. It has already given this topic. Okay, see the second question. Okay, at 7:20. 7:20, what will be happen? What will be the angle distance between our hand and minute hand at 7:20? Let us see. Seven 20. It is 7. It is 8. It is 20. Okay. 7:20. It is a small our hand, minute hand. Okay. It is 7:20. Okay. 7:20. We have to take the small angle. We have to take small angle always. Okay. 7:20. 7 to 4. How many points are there? 7. 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 3. 3 into 30. 30 degree. That means 90 degree. That means 7 to 4. It is how many? 90 degree. But 7:20 means the minute our hand will be more than 7. More than 7. Okay, that means we have to add something. That means half 720. Time is 720. Take half of 20. That means 20 by 2. That means 10. 10. That means we have to add it. That means we have to add it because the our hand is more than 7. Okay, it is 720. We take 7 to 4. Okay, that means there are only 3 points, but it is more than the 7. That is so. That is why we have to add. That is 9 plus 10, 100 degree. 100 degree. Okay. Let us see the another question. Question number 6. Question number 6. What is this question number 6? Now time is 7:35. What will be the mirror image? What will be the mirror image? Okay. Let us see how to find out it. Suppose if the given time is less than 11, suppose if the given time is less than 12, we have to minus from 11:30, sorry, 11:60. If less than 12 minus from 11:60. Suppose if the more than 12, we have to minus 2360. We have to minus from 2360. Now time is 7:35. 7:35, we know 7:35. 7:35. We know 7:35 is less than 12. That means 1160 minus 7:35. 1160 minus 7:35. We will get 425. 425. That time the mirror image will be 425. Time is 7:35. What will be its mirror image? The mirror image will be 425. Suppose if that given time is less than 12, we have to minus from 1160. Suppose if it is more than 12, we have to minus from 2360. Okay, please keep it in your mind. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, let us see the next question. Question number 7. Question number 7. What is question number 7? Question number 7 is say an accurate clock shows 8 o'clock in the morning. Through how many degrees will the our hand rotate when the clock shows 2 o'clock in the afternoon? Okay, an accurate clock shows 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay, through how many degrees will the our hand rotate when the clock shows 2 o'clock? मतलब 8 बजे से 2 बजे तक कितना चेंजेस होगा? Okay, let us see. There are how many 4 examples means options are given: 144 degree, 150 degree, 168 degree, 180 degree. Okay, let us see. Angle traced with the our hand in 6 hours. That means 8 o'clock. From 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. There are 6 hours. There are 6 hours. 1 minute. Let me clear it first. Okay. From 8 to 2, there are 6 hours. 6 hours. Okay. 6 hours. Every hours indicates 30 degree. Okay. 30 degree. That means 6 into 30. 6 into 30. 180 degree. That means our answer will be 180 degree. Okay. Our answer will be 180 degree. It's a very simple question. Okay. Let us see the question number 8. It is a faulty clock. Okay, let us see how to solve this problem. If a clock indicates 4 hours 10 minutes when the correct time is 4, it is said that the clock is timing too fast. If the clock indicates 4 hours 10 minutes when the correct time is 4, it is said that the clock is 10 minutes too fast. If it is indicates 4:40 when the correct time is 5, it is said to be 20 minutes too slow. The faulty clock shows that means if it is 10 minutes fast, the daily it will be 10 minutes fast. Okay, suppose if it is 20 minutes slow, daily it will be 20 minutes slow. That time is clock is called faulty clock. Okay, let us see. The clock was set on Thursday at 4 p.m. If the clock gains 20 minutes per hour what will be the time that the clock shows on Friday 8:30 p.m. Okay, the clock was set on Thursday at 4 a.m. Okay, if the clock gains 20 minutes per hour, then what will be the time that the clock shows on Friday at 30 p.m. The clock was set on Thursday at 4 a.m. We have all told us, discussed it. The time from Thursday from 4 a.m. to Friday 8:30 p.m. There are 40 hours 30 minutes. 40 hours 30 minutes. The clock gains 20 minutes per hour. So the clock gains 810 minutes in 40 hours 30 minutes. So the time the clock will show Friday 8:30 p.m. That means 8:30 plus 810 minutes. 810 minutes we can take it in 13 hours 30 minutes. 13 hours 30 minutes. That means 8:30 plus 13:30. That means we will get 10 a.m. Sunday. Okay, suppose if we add, we will get the 10 a.m. Sunday. Okay, it is very simple one. Then we can find out another question. Last question: time gained or lost by the clock. Time gained or lost by the clock. Okay, let us see what is. This type of problems arise when the clock moves faster or slower than the expected pace. While While solving this problem, it is best to keep the track of the correct clock. Okay. The difference between faulty clock and gained or lost is something different. Faulty clock means, suppose if it is 10 minutes late, it will be 10 minutes late daily. Okay. Sunday, Monday, whatever the time, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, whatever will be the 10 minutes will be faster or slower. Okay. But in gain or lost, it changes every hours. Okay, for example, a watch gained 5 second in 3 minutes and was set at right 8 a.m. What time will show as 10 p.m. on the same day? Okay, a watch gains 5 second in 3 minutes. Every 3 minutes it gains 5 seconds and was set at set at 8 a.m. Okay, it gets set at 8 a.m. Then what time will be show at 10 p.m. on the same day? Okay, that means 5 second 3 minutes. 5 seconds 3 minutes. Okay, we can convert into the 3 minutes into hour. Okay, 3 into 20, that means 60 minutes. Mean 1 hour. Suppose if you multiple with this 3 into 20, that means we will get 1 hour, yani 60 minutes. Then we have to multiply with 5 seconds also. 5 into 20, 100 seconds. That means in 1 hour, it gains 100 seconds. It gains 100 seconds. From 8 a.m. to 10 p.m., the same day, it passed 14 hours. 14 hours. In 14 hours, the watch would have gained 14 into 100. That means 1,400 seconds. Suppose if we convert into minutes, we will get 30 minutes 20 seconds. That means, so when the correct time is 10 p.m., the watch would show 10 hours 23 minutes 20 seconds. 10 hours 23 minutes 20 seconds. Okay, Sairam told. I think it is very easy. It is easiest topic. Okay, Sairam told. Thank you, Sairam.